Alright, so a real quick lesson on Frosty the Snowman for cellos. I apparently have lost the video of this, so I'm redoing it really quickly. The hardest part for cellos is to take and move to the second position. So what we're doing is you play, then we move so that our second finger is where our fourth finger was, but we play our first finger where our third finger was. And we play 1, 2, 4 for the C sharp, D, E. But then we move our whole hand down so your fourth finger is on the fourth finger tape in order to play the D, C sharp, B, A. So the trick is to go from second position, C sharp, with your first finger instead of your third. Okay, so practice that over and over and over again, moving your first finger to where your third finger used to be. Second finger would now go down on the fourth finger tape. And then shifting back, 4 on the D, like normal. Okay, so practice that a bunch. Now at the beginning, we start with A, F sharp, G, A, D, which is easy. Then we shift back, shift back up, back down, and now we're on measure 11, which is A, D, F sharp, B, so it'll be open 4 across 3, back to 1, and then just a downward scale from the open A, and then in order to go down from open A, you put all 4 fingers down, and then the last note, instead of being an open D like you would expect, is back to an A. So that would be A, D, oops, out of tune, A, D, F sharp, B, A, G, F sharp, E, A. And then you do everything you did the first time around. A, F sharp, G, A, D, shift, C sharp, D, E, back down, D, C sharp, B, A, shift back up, C, D, E, D, C, B, A, D, F sharp, B. Then this time we go all the way down to the open E. So it's A, G, F sharp, E, D. Okay, now we're on the pickup to measure 22. It's the note right before it. It's the last note in the third line. And we're playing D, B, B, D, D. So it's open 1, 1, 4, 4. And then a scale down from the C sharp third finger. C sharp, B, A. Then skipping to an F sharp. Then A. Oh, I lost my place. G, B, A, G, F sharp. So we've got, starting at the pickup to measure 22, D, B, B, D, D, C sharp, B, A, F sharp, G, B, A, G, F sharp. And then we have a pickup F sharp into that second to last measure of the fourth line. F, E, E, A. Then we need to shift again. Instead of playing the C sharp with your third finger, you play it with your first, and then you have the E ready with your 4. Then shift back down. So, fourth line, second to last measure, actually the note before that called the pickup. It's going to be F sharp, E, E, A, shift, C sharp, E, C sharp, E, shift back down, D, C sharp, B, A, then another long A, and then the same thing that we did at the beginning, A, F sharp, G, A, D, shift, C, B, shift down, D, C, B, A, shift back up, C, B, E, back down, D, C, B, A, D, F sharp, B, and then the scale down, A, G, F sharp, E, and we end on a D. So that's Frosty the Snowman for the cello. Hardest part is doing the fourth finger, play a D, and then you have to shift. Okay, so doing the 1, 2, 4, shift down 4, 3, 1 is the hardest part of this whole song. So practice that a bunch and make sure you play this and can read the notes, and you're good. Now beat that into submission.